Usually the compressors are any ventilators, big compressors will be there. It's a special design ventilator. Coming to the point now.
Okay. What about this one? This one retail one?
One is, this is taking the output. This is the output from the ventilator.
Okay.
Ventilator now actually usually you will have two lines, but this machine don't need.
Okay.
Okay. This is the output.
Okay.
The output is going from here.
Okay.
The return air is coming from here. Going to this.
Yes.
This is output, okay?
This output and the written air.
The written air is coming
to
from
this,
this circuit.
because there is sensor there
To here.
for
To the, there is a transducer.
Yes.
There is a transducer. This transducer, the output is coming from this transducer and going to the this cable, this lead. Yeah, it is going. Can you see? Technically, this is called. Okay, I'll tell you. Now the next we have to talk in technical words. This is called inspiratory limb.
Okay.
Inspiratory hose.
Okay.
This is called expiratory hose,
Okay.
because we will read like that only in that. So the inspiratory hose is connected here. This is called Y connector.
Okay.
Y connector. The output, that means the return from the lung is going. This is like human being lung. So he is going inside the lung with pressure because he cannot breathe. He is paralyzed. His muscles are all dead. Resting stage.
Okay.
So he is going inside. Then where return was goes, with by pressure like balloon it goes, comes out. Okay. Why you have to collect this one air?
Yeah.
to do
Ventilator should understand for the next breath.
The feedback.
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 Otherwise I can
The
give it to-
ventilator
okay.
should know
Why
the
this is string?
status.
This is the pressure transducer. From here, see, there is a relief valve also. See, suppose.
هنا في صمام عشان ما يرجعش
Yeah.
لبن ثاني يدخل.
Here, see. Depends on the output. There is a membrane movement. Okay.
So this one is bridge string.
Yeah, bridge string.
Why?
I'll tell you. He will make the output. Sorry, this tube is giving output. Return.
Okay. Okay.
Based on that, the membrane is moving
Okay.
more load or less load.
Yeah.
The spring accordingly move that.
Okay.
When the spring is moving,
Yeah.
that movement, there is another action you can see.
Yes.
That flow of gas
Yeah.
is given to the machine. Whether patient air, return air is coming on. If I suppose detachment is there.
The written air will tell the machine the status of the patient.
Station of the patient. Whether he is able to take. If I remove this one, there is no return air, machine will not deliver it. Can I show you? No. No return air. No patient. That means by chance.
Feedback and feedback.
Feedback.
Okay.
Feedback.
So why this two?
Okay,
Two
now.
other one?
No. This is the feedback.
This. Why?
Not only feedback. It will with the feedback it will calculate breath
How much?
for the next breath.
Next minute.
And second thing, tidal volume, minute volume, all the calculations are coming with that.
And what's this one?
Now it will not. You
No,
can,
no. Why this return here, no here?
Written where?
No, there are no valve, no thing.
Nothing. Okay, I will explain you.
ننظف دهانة.
This is a very good question. I will answer. This is input. Okay. There is a gas inside. This is already pressurized. This gas will have a base flow. Means certain amount of pressure already there. The patient when he is like removing, when he is exhaling, logically it will go or it will go. Where it will go?
Low bus here.
Low pressure.
Low pressure.
Did you understand what is question?
Yes, I answered him like that. Okay, my question is
High
why
pressure
this
and
one,
Okay.
low
this two is what?
This is called differential flow transfer. This is for the feedback. This portion, it is measuring the flow.
Sensor.
Flow sensor. This is a flow sensor.
هذا flow sensor.
One in, they made an arrangement. This is like this is flow transducer. One before, one after. He is sending the air through orifice.
Differential between them.
Yes, the differentials he will collect from here. Differentials of the pressure, flow. One input, how much is coming, then output. From the orifice, see this is giving some input is passing. Output how much passing. Then he will also see feedback. This is another feedback. There is another feedback glowing to measure the flow. This feedback is to know the volume. You can take like this words.
This is to know the volume.
This is to know the volume.
Feedback for the volume.
This is to know the flow. This is for
Sensor
the
for the flow.
The ventilator, any ventilator will have a settings called minimum tidal volume. First setting is they have to do breath rate. How many breath it has to be delivered? That is called breath rate. The beats breaths per minute. Breath rate is the definition is called, the word itself is having the definition. Breaths per minute. You can adjust from 20, 50 depends on the doctor. This is the next parameter what we adjust is called tidal volume. The amount of air which has to pass to the patient chest.
No. It is this one is how amount of volume should be stay or should be exist at the lung to do not collapse.
No.
لا هذا تايد.
No. That is not dead volume.
Beep, it's not beep.
That is dead volume. Tidal volume is the amount.
ما مش عارف بس هذا التايد اللي هو كل اللي يتنفسوا كله مرة واحدة. طيب وش هذاك الثاني؟ ما
هذاك البيب اللي يحمل.
يا أخي التايد والله تايد.
Okay. The tidal volume is in one breath. How many, like one push, how much amount of air you want to send it to?
So what is the name of the
Dead
volume?
space. Dead space. Before
No, the volume that do not allow
residual volume.
Huh?
Residual volume. RV.
Residual.
There are several volumes. The whole lung is called total lung capacity, TLC. In that, forced respiratory ventilation is there, tidal volume is there, minute volume is there, residual volume is there, dead space is there, so many things. This tidal volume is the in one breath, in one, see this is 20 breaths per minute. In one breath it is giving 555 milliliter of gas from the ventilator. It is nothing related with the patient side now. So doctor is identifying how much tidal volume is needed.
The volume, the definition, the volume which is do not allow the lung to collapse. What is the name of this one?
Dead space. Dead space.
Dead space.
Dead space. Residual volume. Okay. Next. So this particular amount of set by this is called ventilator settings. This is the controls. This is the indicator. This is the alarms. So we have the scope to adjust the value. Now I can adjust. As I reduce it, can you see the lung is less? I'm going very. It is reducing. Okay. Oh, it will blast. You're putting 1500. That is. Hello?
كذا شوف بس وطي.
Yeah.
لا
Yes. Alain.
بالنسبة لأول حاجة.
Yes.
ارفع هل هو مرتفع؟
If you can possible today, you can do otherwise Sunday also.
ما أين الفرق؟ مش فرق. هي خاربة هذا مستشفى ايش قلب؟ شو
No, until 3 o'clock, 2:30 there is break.
إلا بعد.
So they will be up till 2:30. So what time you want to go there? Because I am not